So today, my niece Amy and we went out to El Dorado Canyon State Park in Colorado. Traveling up to the trailhead, we noticed some climbers making their way up the face of the rocks here. They were climbing all day while we were climbing up the trail, nice and safe on the ground. These guys were methodically climbing up the cracks and crevices of the state park's mountainsides. You can see them way up there. Whoa, feels like a concrete train. Wow, it goes right into the mountain. That's crazy. The first place I was able to take off was over the old mine shaft. There was a nice clearing where I was able to safely take off, and I can get an aerial view of the trail and the landscape above me. We're at the home stretch of the trail coming up. Definitely winded. Our next location we stopped at was the Crags Hotel, built in 1908. And there's still the fireplace from the hotel and this mysterious looking concrete pit. Straight up to we're gonna go try and get up to the top of the ridge up there, and then it doesn't look like much, but it just goes straight down. I'm gonna catch up to Amy with the dogs. Her old uncle is barely keeping up. She doesn't even have a sweat broken. I can't breathe in this thin air up here. It's so cool. Really quiet up here. No birds chirping. Crow just flew over and dove down the hill. Crack at the top though. Go straight down.
Well, didn't she like go inside and make me have a good day? That's the tattoo, but...
Oh, that's cool. Hey, everybody. And then there's a little house down there. That's the house, or one of the houses I saw from the air. It's crazy. This is like a little outcrop.
Yeah.
Wonder how many people fall off. Stepping in the wrong spot. Whoa. That's crazy. I don't know. That's enough. Sitting on the edge of the world. Setting on the ridge.
I just want to say how much I appreciate you tuning into my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you're not already, and tap that bell icon to be notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you. See you next time.